If the indigenous people remain in religion, they will never serve the Most High in the spirit and in truth. That is why the awakening is happening to bring the people of the Most High back to Him. The kingdom of darkness is the one making the awakening about skin tone, genealogy, hatred, and racism. The sheep followed them when they make their wild accusations. For some, it was not given to know the mysteries. The workers of iniquity are trying to disgrace the awakening. Because the messages do not support their delusions, in addition, the serpent seed dislike truth. The scriptures did say, in the last days, knowledge would increase. I hope the truth of the words of the Most High ignite a fire in the heart of His people. Let the wisdom of the Most High rest upon His people to elevate them from glory to glory. Let their knowledge increase to rise against the spiritual wickedness in high places.